Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 10 adjective. So, if we talk about adjectives, adjective is a describing word which describes a noun or pronoun. Another word we say an adjective is a word used to add something to the noun or meaning to the noun and by describing or pointing out the person, animal, place, or thing. Clear? So, there are some kinds of adjectives as we see adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, and so on. So, you have here some kind of nouns. So, adjective usual order. What is the exact order of adjective? So, we'll see. First one, the quality will be placed in the first, then size and age, shape of the things, that is called an adjective, then color, that is called the adjective, and origin, okay, that is also one word of the country, and that is called the adjective, and past participle, this is also one kind of an adjective. And one fine example over here is handmade. Okay, so as we have seen these adjectives, adjective we see it adds meaning to the noun or pronoun. How it works, as we see, Delhi is a big city. So here, big word which I spoke right now, big word is a adjective, is an adjective, and it adds meaning to the noun. Noun here is city. Okay, Delhi is a big city. So which is the big city? Delhi. So it has some connection with noun and object, and also which word connect to these two words, that is adjective. Adjective is giving meaning to the city or adding quality to the city, and it defines that Delhi is a big city. Okay, so like this it works. Another example from your book we can pick out, as we say quality about quality, this is a pleasant day. Okay, and if we say about size, a small room. Okay, what kind of that room is? Small room. What kind of the day is? Pleasant day. Okay, and what or how old the man is? Okay, that Raman is a young man. Okay, like this. Therefore the adjective gives us the detail of the noun or pronoun, or in other way it adds to the meaning of noun. So it tells that Raman is young or old. Okay, those are very simple. Okay, next, correct use of adjectives. So later, latest, these two have difference and opposed to each other. Both denotes time. Okay, later or latest. Later is opposed to earlier, that means late. Okay, later. And early word describe that you have reached there before time. Okay, Rita came to the class later than I. Okay, later than I. So here is a comparative degree. And the next, what is the latest news? So this is entirely different. Latest, new one. Okay, new news, recent news. Latter, last. Okay, latter or last. Both are used for position or the order. Okay, latter or last. Position means if suppose there are two persons or three persons, okay, and one person out of three have reached first, that is called first, and the last one which is reached there, and we make the comparison with this one, and that person would be the later one, okay. And another word very clear, later compared to the former means the first, okay, and later means after that first person whoever reaches there, that is called later. So let's see the example, then you will understand. Krishna and his friend work together. The former is a painter, the latter is an artist. That means Krishna is former, okay, and his friend, that is latter, okay. It latter indicates to the friend of Krishna. So ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਕਲੈਰਿਟੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਪੇਂਟਰ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਉਸਦਾ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਆ, ਓਕੇ. ਸੋ ਲਾਈਕ ਦਿਸ, ਨੀਅਰੈਸਟ ਐਂਡ ਨੈਕਸਟ. ਨੀਅਰੈਸਟ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੀਨਸ the things which is close, okay, and covering the distance, and next refers to the order, okay, next to the order, ठीक है. As we say next to the house, or suppose we are asking students in the class to stand up and give the answer, and then if one person has given the right answer and we say sit down next, okay, that is an order. Elder, eldest, okay, both are used for members of their same family. Elder is never followed by then, elder never followed by then, and it is followed elder to me, okay, elder to me, my elder brother, the eldest brother, like this we have to say. Older than we can say, and oldest, the oldest, okay, that is also possible we can say. So next chapter is chapter 11, comparison of adjectives. So this is very much similar to the first one, that's why together we are going to study. So we have learned already chapter 10 adjectives, and we have seen that what is the definition of an adjectives. Now we are going to head with an adjective changes in form to show comparison, and comparison can be done when there are two persons or more than two persons. If there is a one person we cannot compare with, and that sentence can be called positive degree, okay. Comparison of adjectives has 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. So let's study one by one. Positive degree denotes or tells us an adjective is existence of some quality, okay. That means simply we can say it's a tall tree, okay. It's telling the quality of the tree, that tree is tall. Mango is sweet, telling the quality of the mango, that mango is sweet, or the sweet mango. The comparative degree denotes the existence of a higher degree of the quality than the positive, okay. That means there must be two persons to compare with, as Ram and Sham, okay. These two peoples are there, so we are going to compare with this. Ram is taller than Sham, so like this we have made the comparison, okay. Let's study from your book one example. This tree is taller than any other tree around, okay. Simply we can say this tree is taller than the tree which I saw. That way can also be made. The mango is sweeter than bananas. Here you have seen that mango and banana, two things are there, that's why it is possible to comparison with each other. The superlative degree denotes the existence of the highest degree of the quality, okay. These three are telling: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree are telling about the quality of the object. Object means I mean to say noun or pronoun, okay, or the things. So superlative degree denotes the highest degree of the quality. It is used when there are more than two things, okay, when there are more than two things to compare. So how can we compare when there are more things than two? This is the tallest tree around, okay. The mango is the sweetest of all the fruits, okay, all the fruits. That means there are not two fruits, but there are more than two fruits. So that's why we have used the superlative degree, the tallest. Okay, one thing you must note, when we compare between two things, the word can come taller, okay, er, or sometime r. Taller, cleverer, bigger, etc. And in the superlative degree, the definite article the must be put front of or before the adjective which we use. Okay, see over here, the mango is the sweetest of all the fruits, okay. So here are some examples: positive, comparative, and superlative, comparative, positive degrees. You can read, and the method I have told to you, it's very simple if you have understood.